So welcome to my how-to guide on how to activate and deactivate the beeper setting on the Zanussi Lindo 300 series washing machine. So the beeper setting can either be switched off or switched on, depending what mode you're already in, for the final beeper at the end of the cycle. You may want to use this because indeed once the machine has finished it will continually beep for around 5 minutes, which can be quite annoying and quite intrusive and can annoy pets as well. So obviously I want to demonstrate the beeper. So basically we're going to turn it on. The thing with this beeper is that what you won't do is cancel this beeper. So turning the beeper off won't cancel this beeper, so you'll always have this. It's quite strange actually, because the previous beeper settings for Zanussi actually turn this beeper off, but you need it more on this because obviously every time you press one of those touch buttons you don't know if that touch button worked correctly, so every time you get a beep, a little blip like that, you know it's been selected. So anyway, for the purpose of this, we're just going to select drain and spin only. Then we're going to select no spin, and I'm going to press start. Yes, indeed, it will do this for 5 minutes, then the display will automatically go off due to its eco mode of saving energy. So the only other way is that you come along and then you turn it off. Don't want it? Most of you probably won't. So what we're going to do, to turn the beeper off, we're going to switch the machine on. Then we're going to hold the program button and the temperature buttons together. And if nothing happens for 5 seconds, try again. There we go. That double beep now signals that the M beeper has now been deactivated. And to prove it, I'm just going to do exactly what we did before. So we're going to select drain and spin only with no spin, so we've just got drain, press start. There we go. No final beeping sound. So let's just switch it back on. I'm going to turn this off. Turn it back on. And just do the same. We're going to press program and temperature buttons together for 3 seconds. You'll hear that little clip there as if you selected an option, and that now signifies that the final beeper is now back on. And that's it. That's a simple how-to guide on how to activate and deactivate the beeper setting on a Zanussi Lindo 300 series washing machine like this. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you found this video helpful to use on your washing machine at home. See you again.